Okay, that was a nice one, DJ. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Efizzy the British. I was born in London, a place in Borough. It's called London, eh? Well, the Mayor of Housen is a witness. He was there when I was born. It's nice being in your presence to perform for you tonight. Let's put our hands together for wonderful selves, eh? Yeah. DJ! Man, forget that thing. I'm a cultist. No, they do. Leave that thing. Leave that thing. I'm a cultist, a very proud cultist. I manage cultists. I graduated from cultism with my BSc. BSc, which means Bachelor of Street Cultism. BSc. Now, I was born in Borough. And for Borough, you get the kind of Igbo way, then they sell for there. If you smoke that Igbo, the Igbo, they do two things. Either they carry you go the future or the past. No, they do nah. I know say I know the bill. I beg. This joke, not the only joke I want crack. Now, for Borokri, now somebody go smoke Igbo. As in smoke Igbo finish, the kind of story go they tell you, you go even shock. My friend smoke Igbo for Borokri. I sit down near them, now he tell me, so boy. Well, Efizzy, why not be shy around? So by Efizzy, why you know Jesus Christ now? Why you know Jesus Christ been a challenge? Oh, why not be shy so? Oh, why Jesus Christ? Fuck me, I'm a pops you up around. You go come, they wonder how. And go come ask you again. Oh, you know Pharaoh. Pharaoh we got problem directly with God. You don't know Pharaoh. With God, they beg and me allowing people to go. Pharaoh tell us, Uncle, and I made a car for them. Nobody they disembark these shores. Everybody go, Uncle, Pharaoh! Now you just cry, I want to go put us for trap. Pharaoh give my papa wood. You don't check that cross where Jesus Christ carry. You don't confirm and say na timber. Over that wood, now Pharaoh give my father man carry do share for him mom see. And Jesus Christ carry those sass men and go carry the plan, go do cross. The cross that Jesus Christ carry now the wood. When my pops is supposed to do share for Pharaoh mom see. Jesus Christ, when you know say father na carpenter and carry the worker past their shop. Go carry our timber. Oh, don't sit in don't feel like that. When my lighter, I'm going to spark up. And light again, I'm going to be child. You don't hear the book of nuisance. Now my father and I write that book around. My business say the book, if you open, even you never read and say, go hear the hear noise. Go hear the hear noise. Now my father will make noise now. And come out the book. The book of nuisance, I make me have the noise people around. So when I be trying and they are on, I love Jesus Christ for Calvary. I say, why Jesus Christ? They can say na chance. They want to challenge you. Fuck around. What no shaking no? We go snake life being around.